So you finally decided to start your investing and trading journey. If you have your phone handy, you can open your Axis Direct account directly on the app. It's fully online, paperless, and takes just a few minutes. Let me show you how. First step, enter your mobile number to start the process. Tap Verify with Google to instantly verify your email. Enter your PAN details. We securely verify your PAN with government databases to keep everything safe and accurate. Now comes KYC, and this is where things get even easier. If your PAN is already KYC verified, your details are auto-fetched. No uploads needed. If not, you can complete KYC digitally using DigiLocker and Aadhaar OTP for address verification. Or you can upload your KYC documents securely straight from your phone. Everything happens online with full data protection. Next, we just get to know you a little better. Choose UPI or bank account and verify instantly through your UPI apps. Fill in your personal details, occupation, and income range. Add your trading or investing experience. And if you'd like, you can add a nominee. We always recommend adding one either now or after your account is activated. Now comes the exciting part. Choose a subscription plan that suits you with zero account opening charges for digital customers. Select the segments you want: equity, mutual funds, derivatives, whatever fits your goals. Upload a live selfie. Provide your digital signature using the signature pad. Sign within the box using your finger or stylus. Then tap Confirm to proceed. If you've opted for derivatives, just add the required income proof. Review your application and complete it with a quick Aadhaar-based e-sign. And that's it. Your application is submitted. Your account goes for verification and gets activated shortly. Open your Axis Direct account and start your market journey.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.